Here's how to use drag and drop to add images to Stylebook. You can add from Safari by utilizing the slide over feature to put a window of Safari over Stylebook. Then once you find the image that you'd like to import, hold your finger over the photo until it lifts up from the Safari window. Then drag onto either the grid screen or the category screen inside the closet, and you'll see a green plus. Once you drop it, you'll get the import tools and you'll be able to save it into your Stylebook closet. This is a great way to add images without taking pictures yourself, especially things you can add from your email, from Safari, and also from other apps. A great way to do this is using tools like Google Lens, which have visual search that you can just point the camera at your piece of clothing, find your best image in the search results, and then do the same thing with drag and drop. This is also possible on the phone, as I demonstrate here, where you drag up from the bottom, switch apps, and then drop the image right inside Stylebook, just as you did on the iPad. As I mentioned, this is a fantastic way to avoid taking photos yourself, and also it's a quick and easy way to add images into Stylebook, and it's available in Stylebook 10 and up.